We are deeply examining the entire demand for districts. We have looked into many demands of different districts and different blocks and different subdivisions. And one of the very important and simple criteria is that there has to be some sense of agreement in on how we will move forward, and the complications should not be there. We saw in, for example, in Mairang district, there was a very clear-cut understanding, and the line that was drawn was very simple, and there was a full agreement. We found that in certain other demands, whether subdivisions or blocks or districts, there were certain areas where the overall consensus could not be built up because there were some differences among the different villages that were present out there, which led to complications. So in the process of actually trying to help the people and to ensure that administration gets closer, if the decision leads to more complication, then it is not serving the entire purpose. And hence our desire is to see that we do engagement with the people in a very detailed manner to ensure that there is no complication and no differences that come up, and hence that process is on. So as we move ahead, we will try to resolve those issues, discuss with the people, and based on that we will decide our next move.